life was gonna be this way. Sometimes you don't get broke, your love lies the way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you.
I'm checking it's actually, oh, you can play it. I didn't think about how I was going to wait to the camera.
The next day.
Everyone, it's Thursday and we are just chilling in the tent for a little while before we go and watch the Venga Boys. We're gonna have a little we're gonna have a little dance and hopefully my knee doesn't give up or I need my inhaler or anything. It's been a good day. It's nice and warm, which is good. We did have to go in the medi tent earlier because we had some dust in our eye, which a lot of people had some awful dust in their eyes, and I can't tell if this looks like I haven't slept in 5 days, but my makeup is smudged as fuck from getting sun cream and everything in my eye. It's a look. It's certainly a look. Also, I don't know if the glitter in my hair looks like glitter or like some weird sparkly dandruff, but you know, it is how it is. Tomorrow is Friday the 13th. It's going to be the first day in the actual arena. We'll see how we get along with to and from all the stages. It's a lot bigger of a venue than just to and from the village. So last day and a half we've just been going to the village in the day and then kind of staying there if we can until nighttime when we come back and crash in the tent. We haven't done a lot sitting around in camp because it's just been so hot. There's nowhere to really hide from the sun, there's no shade. So we've been hiding in the village, going in the Ace of Spades tavern, getting in the shade and trying to stay as cool as possible because it's always either really hot or rain. We did get a little tiny bit of rain earlier in today, but it was like 5 minutes at best. And then when we went to watch Choir Noir, not Choir Noir, I keep trying to read it, Choir Noir, when we were watching them, it really, the heavens opened up for a good few minutes and it slubbed into the big tent a little, but then by the time everyone had faffed around getting the waterproofs out and everything, it kind of eased off again. So it was nice, it cooled it down slightly, but it didn't do enough to settle any of the dust. So still walking around on the gravel park, he's kicking up a lot of dust. Also really annoyed about it, but I've left or lost my little earplugs. I had them for ages. I got them in a little keychain doodad. I had them on last night at the den watching the new metal covers, and then I could have sworn to put them away, but I've dropped them somewhere. I'm never gonna fucking find them again, am I? So that's annoying. I'm gonna buy another set, which is incredibly annoying because I wanted them to have them for going into the avalanche and everything on the arena days because it gets really loud in there and it's just a bit much. But every chance though, actually trying to get into the avalanche is near impossible. I'm just gonna have to get a little bit of hearing damage, I guess, unless I can somehow find them magically in the tent. I'm convinced I dropped them on the walkway somewhere. I don't think I'm gonna find them again. Someone would have picked them up or put them in the bin probably. But note to self is I suppose just to make sure, doubly sure, that I've actually put them away, because I thought I had put them away. I was pretty certain about it, but maybe I had them still on and forgot about it and I've left them, or they fell off, or they're in the tent. My mum thinks they're in the tent, but I'm not convinced. Anyway, points. Thank you, Mum, for doing my hair, because I can plait from here down, but I can't plait from the top of my head. You can see my little extensions are kind of poking up like a weird bunny ears going on, but it's a look. You know, when it comes to festivals, so many people look so amazing. They put a lot of fancy stuff on, or really cool outfits and whatnot, and I've always been a little bit jealous that I can't do that. So I try and put some. I mean, I got my cool dungarees, and I painted Music Nightsus, a little cassette tape, and these are waterproof and also good for when it gets cold. They're a little extra layer, so I tend to just live in these, and they're stylish enough, but you know, I have to keep putting sun cream on. I've got to keep my layers on. It's gonna get cold so easily. And you probably can't hear me over the fucking planes. Fuck you, planes. But yeah, I don't know. I'm waffling. I'm gonna chill out. I put a bit of glitter on my face, ready for Vengers, and we'll head out in a bit.